Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm the author of Te Reo Sing-Along books, and I've written this book, Ka Maumahara Tonu, which means remembering, to help you with your Anzac Day theme work with children. This is about a little girl who's asking her koro, her grandfather, about his koro, and he's talking about his koro fighting at Gallipoli. So the word for soldier is hoia. So up here, as you'll see, we're at a memorial for soldiers, for hoia, and I just thought that I would do my Anzac Day, talk to you today about this from the place where we're at today at Dannevirke, at this beautiful memorial, to remind you that this book is suitable for younger children and school children, and you just need to take the little bits that you can for suiting whichever age they're at. But even just some of the words like hoia for soldier would be really good to take from this book and use when you're visiting a memorial, and all the other things that you're doing around your Anzac Day commemorations. Ka kite.